Picture this. It's 1990. You land a job making $100,000 a year. You're officially rich. The big house in the suburbs? Check. The luxury sedan in the driveway? Absolutely. 2 vacations a year? Of course. Now fast forward to today. You finally break into 6 figures. You've made it, right? Wrong. You're still checking your bank balance before buying groceries. You're 1 car repair away from financial anxiety. What happened? Why does $100,000 feel like $50,000 now? Stick around, because you're being hunted by 2 silent wealth killers, and most people don't even know they exist. Let's start with the one everyone complains about: inflation. In the US and Europe, we've experienced the highest cost of living spikes in decades. But here's what most people don't understand. It's not just that things cost more. It's that your money is worth less. Think of it this way. If you stuffed $100 into your mattress in 2020, that same crisp Benjamin only buys you about $80 worth of goods today. Your money didn't disappear, it just got weaker. Let me break down where this hits hardest. The housing crunch. In cities like Austin, London, and Berlin, rent and mortgage payments have completely outpaced wage growth. You're not paying more for a better house. You're paying more just to keep the same roof over your head. In some markets, housing costs have doubled in less than a decade, while salaries crawled up by maybe 20 to 30%. The grocery gap. Remember when $100 could fill an entire shopping cart? Now it fills 2 bags if you're lucky. Eggs, milk, bread, meat. The basics that used to be cheap are now luxuries. Here's the brutal truth. Your salary might be going up, but your purchasing power, what you can actually buy with that money, is sprinting in the opposite direction. But here's the thing. Inflation isn't the only villain in this story. In fact, it might not even be the worst one. Meet lifestyle creep. This is the silent killer because, unlike inflation, you invited it in. In the digital age, we're being nickeled and dimed to death, and we don't even notice it happening. The $15 trap. It's just $15 a month for Netflix. Only $10 for Spotify. Just $5 for extra iCloud storage. $30 for that gym membership you use twice a month. Another $12 for Disney+. $20 for the meal kit service. Individually, they're nothing. But stack them up, you're bleeding $150, $200, even $300 a month on subscriptions you barely remember signing up for. The convenience tax. Here's where it gets really dangerous. In the US and Europe, we've become addicted to buying back our time. Uber Eats instead of cooking. DoorDash instead of picking up. Amazon Prime for same-day delivery. Coffee delivered to your door. Every convenience comes with a price tag, and that price adds up faster than you think. But here's the real kicker. What happens when you get a raise? You don't save it. You upgrade. You trade the reliable Toyota for a Tesla. You move from the studio to the 1-bedroom. You swap the $3 drip coffee for the $7 Starbucks macchiato with oat milk and an extra shot. Suddenly, your $8,000 monthly salary is gone by the 25th of the month. You're earning more than ever, but you feel broker than ever. You aren't broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because your lifestyle is on autopilot. Let's do the actual math for someone earning $100,000 in a major U.S. city. Brace yourself. Annual income, $100,000. After federal and state taxes, minus $25,000. Now you're at $75,000. Rent or mortgage, minus $30,000 per year. That's $2,500 per month. Pretty standard for a decent place. Student loans and car payment, minus $12,000. Subscriptions, food, and utilities, minus $15,000. Healthcare, insurance, minus $8,000. You're left with about $10,000 for the entire year. That's less than $850 a month. Now factor in that prices are 20 to 25% higher than they were just 3 years ago. Your leftover money gets you even less than before. This is why a 6-figure salary feels like you're barely scraping by. This is why you feel stuck. This is why $100,000 feels like $50,000. So what do? How do you stop the bleed? Step 1. Audit the invisible spends. Pull up your bank statement right now. I'm serious. Cancel every subscription you haven't actively used in the last 30 days. You'll be shocked how much you're spending on things you forgot existed. Step 2. The 50% rule. Next time you get a raise, whether it's $200 a month or $2,000, save or invest 50% of it before you even see it. Set up an automatic transfer. Don't give yourself the chance to spend it. Step 3. Break the upgrade cycle. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. Stop upgrading your life every time your paycheck goes up. Your 2015 Honda Civic still runs fine. You don't need the newest iPhone every year. Step 4. Mindful spending. Here's a hard truth. Stop buying things to impress people you don't even like. That designer bag, the expensive dinner you can't afford, the luxury vacation you put on a credit card, none of it brings you lasting happiness. $100,000 is still a lot of money, but only if you stop letting it leak out of your pockets. Inflation is real. Lifestyle creep is real. But you have more control than you think. Don't let your wealth be silent. Make it work for you. Make it grow. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.